Hello, welcome to ResuSight. ResuSight is an OpenAI powered platform that tries to redefine the interview preparation process. The platform empowers job seekers by analyzing their resumes and generating tailored interview questions. Not just that, it also aims to predict interview questions based on provided job descriptions, helping candidates excel in role specific interviews. The mission is to provide a personalized, efficient, and insightful way for candidates to prepare for interviews, boosting their confidence and helping them secure dream jobs by using cutting edge technology. I'll be giving a demo of the APIs, which will be GraphQL APIs and REST APIs. I'll head over to Postman. I have everything ready. I'll just hit the endpoints one by one. So let's go to the register first. I will register a user for myself. And yeah, the registration has been successful. We can proceed to login. I'll go to the login, enter the same credentials, and yeah, I get a JWT token as a successful response. I will copy paste this, which I will be needing to run the protected endpoints. So before I run the remaining endpoints, I'll head over to my GraphQL interface. I need to upload my resume. I have provided that support in the GraphQL interface. Wait for it to load. Yeah. So I'll go to the mutation. Let's say I have, instead of having file upload, I have a copy pastable format for the GraphQL schema. I will hit that mutation. Yeah. So this is for resume upload. So my resume has been uploaded successfully for the credentials that I have just registered. So let's go back to Postman. I'll try to get my details. So this was the JWD token. Let's copy paste this. I will replace the token, and when I hit on send, yeah, so I get my resume as my details. So as you can see, there are some empty responses for contributed job descriptions and job description questions and resume questions. That is because I haven't run the remaining endpoints yet. We'll come back to this endpoint again once I have run the remaining ones. So now using LangChain and OpenAI, I will be generating questions for certain sections of my resume which I thought were relevant. So let's say skills. So let's say the endpoint needs to be changed. Look something like this. It these skills. I'll copy paste my token again. Right. Yeah, so I have the token ready. Now let's generate a list of possible questions that I may anticipate from my resume for my skills that I've provided. So yeah, here are some of the questions generated by OpenAI and LangChain. Let's do the same for the remaining sections. Let's go for experience. I'll hit the remaining inputs. Okay, so token for projects, for publications, for certifications. Yeah. So yeah, these are the responses returned by the API, OpenAI and LangChain. For certifications, let's wait. Yeah, so I've got a successful response. Now let's go back to this endpoint, get my details. As you can see, my resume questions was empty. Now let's rerun this particular endpoint. Yeah, so then the empty array has been replaced by the list of questions generated for each section, as you can see. Now what remains is contributed job descriptions and JD questions. So let's go run that endpoint. So I have the authorization sort of parameter, but it's a header. We paste the token, and I have a body raw. So I have input for this as well. Let's take, yeah. All right, let's take this one, this particular input. Yeah, so I have received a successful response. So this is what the job description will be stored that I have contributed to submitting this particular job description, and the response would be the company name, the set of interview questions, and what the job title is for. This will be passed automatically by OpenAI and LangChain. So now I'll go back to get my details, and I'll hit this endpoint. So yeah, I have everything. This is basically my profile that I've received from the endpoint. Now let's go back to GraphQL interface. It's been a while. Yeah, so I have showed the mutations. I'll go to the query. Let's say, yeah, let's just say get my details for this particular user. Now I want the successful message. Okay, let's say I want the contributor JD as well. I'll run this. So yeah, I've gotten, so based on whatever I choose from this GraphQL schema, I can get the responses accordingly. From the resume, I just say I want email, full name, job title, and languages. I can choose that, and it works. So this is what the GraphQL is for. Now let's say I want to log myself out, and let's I'll end the demo over here. I log myself out, and the logout is successful.